Want to go skydiving with me?
Yes.
For your 18th birthday?
Yes.
All right. What are we doing this morning?
Skydiving.
We're doing it together. We just signed our whole lives away.
Basically.
It was like over and over and over again. Like, I won't sue. Whether it's my fault or not, everybody I know will not sue. We hold no rights at all, no matter whose fault it is. This will not be us, because apparently we will not see each other when we are up in the air. Once you jump out of the plane, you're separate.
You ready up here? We check around the back. There's instructions.
He said something. They're trying to be my baby.
Are you watching Paw Patrol?
Paw Patrol this weekend.
Are there puppies?
And I was like, it'll be just her.
We're about to go to the airport.
Radio out there, or I guess she has her.
Excited, Ethan? Yeah.
Good morning, Ethan.
All right.
What are we doing here today? What in the heck do you have on there?
We are going skydiving.
For the first time?
Yes, sir.
Are you crazy?
No.
A little bit?
Maybe
it does
a
take
little
just
bit.
a little bit to
just
jump out of a plane.
Perfectly good airplane.
Yeah. All right, how high are we going today?
2 miles.
2 miles.
2 miles.
How fast can we be falling?
120 miles an hour.
All right, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Give me a high five. Let's go
Heck
skydive.
yeah. Let's go.
There's Ethan over here. See him?
Yeah. Beautiful, guys. Wow. Yeah. Gus said it. Where's Mama? Gus said hi too. She's right there. Hi, Ethan.
Grab a little bit of half if you can. Yeah, some of those piggies for feet to land. Push them out front. You put your knees up. There you go.
Mommy coming down. Yay, Jessica. Yay.
Raise up just a little bit.
Good job!
Did you like it or not so much?
I feel really nauseous.
Oh no. You want to sit down? You look a little
And I
pale.
saw you sort of like.
I don't want you to.
I would like some water. Hold on.
What do you think?
It was awesome. So fun.
Did you feel nauseous too?
Just a little bit, yeah.
If you want water, here's some water.
How did the
Okay, Jessica?
I am. I'm feeling all right. I'm feeling better now. I did feel really nauseous there at the end. Thank you for taking me.
Sure. I'll get you through.
So I was ready to good. Yeah. Wow. I'm glad you were with Ethan. I bet he had a ball.
I know I had fun.
Yeah, that was awesome.
I was just like,
That's fantastic.
I gotta see where I'm going.